Hello, warriors! Welcome back to our YouTube channel of Curious Minds. And I'm here back with our Netflix series. Today, I'm going to discuss the examples from plant world with respect to the taxonomic categories. So, as per NCERT, there are two examples of mango and wheat. Let's start the taxonomic category of mango. So, the trick here to remember the taxonomic category of mango is mango or anar. देखे सपने एनजीओ के. Now, how it will help you to remember this? Let's understand. Mango is the common name. The scientific name is Mangifera indica. Now, Mangifera stands for genus, indica stands for species. So, Mangifera comes directly in the genus column. Now, we need to about the family. हमने क्या बोला था? Mango or anar. So, you can see family here comes as Anacardiaceae. So, thereby you can remember it as anar. सपने देखे एनजीओ के. So, family के बाद you got order. So, what order it belongs to? It belongs to Sapinidales. इसलिए सपने. देखे. So, it belongs to what class? It belongs to देखे is dicotyledon. And then is last division. So, it belongs to what division? Angiospermae. Thereby NGO. So, I hope this trick helps you remember about mango. That is mango, anar, sapne dekhe, NGO ke. Now, let's talk about wheat. Wheat is scientifically called as Triticum aestivum. अब ये Triticum aestivum के लिए एक ट्रिक है जहां पे हमको हमारे मंकीज हेल्प करेंगे. देखते हैं वो कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं. तो बेचारे मंकी इस भरी गर्मी में पानी पीने आ रहे थे टैप के पास में. तो मैंने वहीं से ट्रिक चुरा ली और देखा मैंने कि टैप पे मंकी आए. तो टैप पे मंकी आए. हाउ यू कैन रिमेंबर हियर? तो टैप पे T stands for Triticum, A stands for aestivum. तो TA, that is T for Triticum, A for aestivum. Triticum again is the genus name, aestivum is the species name. तो अब आप से genus का नाम ले लेंगे Triticum. So I hope this clear. Now we come to family. हमने क्या बोला? Tape. So again you got P there remaining for you. So the P stands for Poaceae. So it belongs to what family? Poaceae. Then comes to order. P. So PE again next stands for Poales. Monkey. Monkey बोला था ना? So thereby it says class Monocotyledone. And the last division it belongs to Angiospermae. That's how you can remember the trick for plants and the taxonomic categories. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.